Yes. Welcome back, family. You don't know the things that on King Step. You don't know my name is Negusimara, and you're watching Negus Speaks. You see me? I'm telling you, sir, we're gonna do the review of Tavii live. You see me? The live is longer than World Dawg live. We're gonna break it down in a 2 section. You understand? So we even go, in a bag of chatting. Just make sure you see a like, comment, share. You understand? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get when time the new content drop. But just want to say big up to the family right now. You don't know say one nation and it's Imara nation. Big up your bumper clat buddy. You see me? Yo, so we're gonna dive right in it right now. No long chatting. You see me? Kyng Tavii live review. Let's get it.
From I got that thing there, brother. From I got that 6, 7, 8 thing there. It's like from a step in my bus, I just low and jealousy, dog. I just low and jealousy my feel, bro, in the 6, 7, 8 thing. You did, and from a step in my bus, they even RJ damage me, brother. That's why I did even deal with him in the confessions them how I deal with him. Because really and truly him style me. RJ are the first man who style me. RJ, the youth there, him fucking left the link here, gone over next link and met the man them style him. He's an idiot, RJ, and you can't come back over that side. Sorry. You did. So when we go in there about alone jealousy, dog, you know, the whole of them face. I tell them my experience and I tell them the truth. Lone jealousy in them face, brother. Lexia did the only girl where did gravitate toward, the person where did gravitate towards me when we upon the first day. Lexia alone and Killer Miller. Me and Killer Miller share a room, you did.
I'm gonna pause it real quick. So the dog I say, RJ switch the link. You see me? I'm not gonna lie to you. At the first me I see some of them comedian, I swear. At the first me I see some of them comedian. And yeah, big up RJ. Big up everybody on the show. I'm not gonna talk about it, but I'm not pick no side. Because I don't know nobody and I'm not personally affected. I'm just reviewing this. But the man I say, RJ, switch the link. You see me? Oh, you and Tavii for be friend and you switch the link. I well want to see what I go on. I well want to see episode 3 for see what I go on. I need to see what I go on. And you see that girl there named Lexi. Yeah, man, I not lie, man. I like her. You see me? Mama mouthpiece, fantastic. You know what I'm saying? Pretty little thing. You understand? And she have some pretty feet. You see me? Big up yourself, Bobby. You don't know Lexi. We continue.
And we are teammates. From the day nobody not chat to me, brother. It's like every man I pray, every man I chat with them link, but nobody now meds me, bro. Which is fine because I'm not expecting no fear meds with me. But then I space by myself, I'm over there, so you understand? Yeah. I'm not expecting no fear meds with me, you did. I'm open our screen record. And but they one side I do my thing on you did. I'm not talk about fully about the production. I just showing you the energy where my been a get and the energy where my been a push. I just sow some seed right now. And so when the day when you see my face get thumping, cause no for now wait for that day there, bro. when you see my face get thumping, brother, you can really do like you can connect the dots, bro. Connect the dots and see who really know the thing from who not really know the thing, bro. You can be able to come up with your own conclusion. You did. So this way I say remember show now, like I go there. Nobody never there meets me, bro. I just me, Lexi, Hot Dog, and Kimmy. The rest of them healing go through. You did. We just heal go through. Now you're not talking like that and so forth. You see when the world bitch forward now. World bitch, me see world bitch and me shake him man.
I'll pause that real quick. The man says I would about to get them name from. Brother, I'm about to deal with World Dawg, so. Yo, man say world bitch. And him shake him hand. You can continue.
Me say world bitch.
Him face.
Me say world bitch. And him say Kyng Tavii.
Yeah.
And then I wipe up my answer. And wipe up him answer. and we shake hand, bro. Bear in mind, before me meet this brother, you know, me not have nothing, me not have no bad intention for that brother. Like, my intentions them pure, brother. Like, me still don't like, brother, me not pre the man no way, brother. And when we reach at the 6, 7, 8, I start to pre my way, brother. You did. But before me I pre him like, yo, brother. Yeah, you did. I reach out to him, him not link my back. When he come on close to the 6, 7, 8 thing now, I reach out to him and I suck on him link me up back. You understand? I never have no pre-mens for this world bitch, brother. No pre-mens for world bitch. You hear me? I find me go there and go find out say him they are pre me all at the time. But they even bother getting at that, you did.
Hold on. We could pause that real quick. The dog just said when him see World Dawg, him got some woman, him call him World Bitch. And then shake him hand. And then wipe off hand. And World Dawg wipe off hand. What kind of girl is something that? If me and a man not, brother. If me and a man not deal, I mean a man, brother. Me not shake your hand, me not yell your brother. The dog just say a while ago say, him shake the dog hand and wipe off him hand. Them thing they are kids thing, brother. From both sides. Come on, man. And then him saying reach out to the dog. And when it get closer, 876 him start link the dog, link him back and ray. And now he must say when him reach at the house, a bad vibes. Pre-mens are going. Oh, I could continue the live.
And see, I never did a prayer, bro. I never did. I genuinely just do over here, do my thing and try for up the thing. You yourself step on the live, say, yeah, I never did a prayer, I be a positivity, I come link about. Of course, I gotta do that. I don't have nothing negative to say about you, bro. I know you give me things negative to say about your pussy hole. Sorry, world bitch. You did. But when you forward, you shake my hand. I shake him hand. And me and him talk on message, you know. Me and him talk on IG, you know. So it's a case where me the having on my head say, alright then. I'm say the dog it might be a different case, you know me? When I see bitch, it might be a different case. So I come so boom now. Like the world bitch gang go chill with him little puppy them, you know, cause when them suck on him milk, him titty them, you know, you did when them want them milk, you know.
Hold on. But same have him puppy them and them suck on him titty. You wanna use that for them without trying, brother. Yo. Who could continue?
Followers, you know. So them just suck on him titty them when them ready. Him gone with him little puppy them. Cause you don't know him are the big bitch. Him are the top bitch, you understand? So the puppy them there just a suck on him and thing, you did. So him gone over there with them and thing and I have if you say, you know what? I just a wait on the dog. I not gonna run into nobody, bro. Because if I see say a man now come to me or link with me, brother, fine, bro. I just do over here, so I'm gonna wait on the dog for acknowledge me certain way. We can go through, I can heal you and go through, but I not gonna just come to you and link with you certain way. You did? Yeah, so World bitch I doing thing, I'm over there, so just a do him thing. And me over here, so you don't know, me not too fuck with nobody, you understand? I'm over here, so I'll Lexi me even there on, me not there on nobody, me just lucky in my own little space, my own little world. I saw my mother grow me. You did me, she grow me alone, bro. You did. And we come so boom now, dog. During the days them, I realized that this is like he might make some little talk, brother, like some little remark. If me hear him an idea, he make some little remarks, brother. My phone pan D&D, but me I pass like him when I pass him, he might make some little remarks, brother. He might say things like he might make some reference about me, about my vans, about all them little one can't stay, one can't part me in a vans and them little quote they might make about my vans, brother. You did I might talk about enough time when I pass him, and when him a pass me, him see me, him a talk about, oh, cause you know him love tough up, she love tough up her face, you know, she just, also the girl love tough up her face, every minute,
Pause that real quick. So the dog I said, World Dawg, I make some little slick remark. You see me? I try shame him vans and him something there rare and yo, you see them type of something there, you see me? Them little microaggression, you know what I mean? You don't know said that right there, so is leading towards some fighting. You understand? It's like it verbal first. Now go pick. Get by your nerves. You try start it first so me can retaliate. You see me? We used to do them things in high school. Look at stylings. You see me? All of we used to do it. You see me? So the dog I say, yo, make a look at remarks. But I vanity them. Them think they are vanity still. We outgrow them something. Them think they are kids thing. I talk about people clothes and shoes and rare. But we could continue.
Someone Facebook page verified. My one on Facebook my thing, Instagram my thing there. And like him want to, like him a try spit up in my face and them shit there, bro. And you're there way over there, so. You dig me? So it's a case where I start to pre the dog now, like, dog, where you have meds now, dog? Like, you have meds to be my bridging? You have meds to me and you for put in some work, or you have meds to deal with me, like, shit, brother. You know them way they did, like, I don't know where my meds. So I come so boom now. And I say, alright, here we go. I just keep to myself and stay over here. So. You dig me? I'm not going to talk if I'm not true people. You did. I'm been a talk and I'm been a say things, but I just make on using the intuition and see everything for myself. You dig me? You did. So I advise and start going and I not say nothing to him. I stop heal him. Like when I see him, I just not see him. When I see him and him puppy them, I not see them. I not see them none call. Like I see them and I not see them, bro. I reach a level where I not heal nobody again, bro. I just there in my own little space, bro. Where I do a challenge them there in my little space. You understand?
Pause that real quick. So right now the dog sound like a outcast. The dog sound like, you see me? Him by him lonely. But you just say, Killer Miller and Lexi, big up yourself, Bobby. You don't know, look a nice cutie. Look like you're easy for chew up. Big up yourself, Lexi. I like your mouthpiece, nah lie. Yeah, but the dog sound like a lone ranger, you know, sound like a lone wolf. And the thing about it, I think one interview on the Fix podcast. And the dog I say, oh, him grew up, you see me? Him sound like him introverted, stay inside, you see me? I understand. I understand when you grew up, you see me? With that mentality there. But these are the pre, brother. These are the pre. When time you grew up introverted, brother, even when it not gossa, you formulate certain things in your head. Like, me alone against the world. Because for a huge majority of my life, I saw me used to think, yo, me against the world. Me against the world. Me against everybody. But you just say, Lexi, you and Lexi good, you and Killer Miller good. But you should have find, you see me, refuge in a them friendship there. You can't isolate yourself, because that dangerous, that even more dangerous, brother. You see me? So now, the dog approve everybody. I don't like all that. I don't like all this, so I could continue.
Them don't like that. It's like, all when I'm there in my space, all if I have one friend, them don't like that, bro.
Why?
Nobody no want to see me around nobody, bro, and nobody no want to see me by myself. I not get it. You did, but that the case where I go on, brother. It's like a case where the man them want to see me sad. So them can talk about it and feel superior, brother. You did.
Why?
But
Why
you know,
feel
you
so?
don't know me. I just a smile and I got you said way. Anybody in our production can tell you, did. I smile and I got you in the first couple of days. Until my final says 6, 7, 8. I go around me. But we're not gonna get into that. You did. I light up my space. So I find them out and I just start there in my little space, dog. There in my little world, bro. Lock up in my room and them little thing there. Killer Miller out there, so I make up beer nice and thing. I just in my room having my earpods. Because them have them moment, you know, when them drain energy, you know. Them play them 1 and 2 tune. For subliminally I try this me, I style me. But really and truly, them can't style me. A RJ them a style because I'm a girl clown for real.
Bumbo, we could pause that real quick. We see the dog take multiple shots at RJ. RJ, I ready the G. You sell out your bridge in RJ. Me no know, but that's a review. You see me? Me never dep on the show. Me no know what go on. Me not take side. Me just dey here what go on. You understand? Now the dog I say, yo, here what? The man them play them local tune. You see me? The man them probably say, yo, move and go with them hypocrite hell. You see the man them could have probably drop some local subliminal for style G. But brother, when I sit here, brother, Tavii, I don't know if you ever see this, my G, but knowing the energy we they're on, or the energy we claim they're on, brother, and you being a comedian, you have to know, so you have to firm within self, brother. You have to firm within self. You understand? You can't move shaky, brother, and not shaky as in them type of shaky where I talk like you have to firm, brother. You see me? My mentality, yeah, I move them bum bucklat. You see me? I just stay around who me feel like they're there for me. You understand? I could continue.
So man too easy for switch dog. I saw them easy for treat dog. Them little mess on the depan. It no work for me, bro. You did. Me just sit down and pray them thing there. So them a do them little subliminal this and that. Me not see no man. Me still not talk to no man. My dead one night now I sleep like my doze off now, you know, cause me I say, alright, me get so since them out there saw pop bottles and them with bitches and all of them thing there. And when me say bitches, me mean the puppy them there with them mother. You understand? All of them out there popping bottles and doing all sort of stuff, you understand? But say me I get some rest. Because you don't know the smart thing is for to get some rest. Wake up one morning with some energy for beat them fucker, yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
Killer Miller call me. Yo. Such man them a call you know. You want me even want to call them name because me don't want to give just nobody, me just don't want to call the name. You did? Killer Miller call me now and say, yo brother, the man them want upstairs and them a hold meeting, them a call me. Them a call me, you know. Me where them don't talk to, you know, bro.
Yeah.
You don't talk to me, you know, heal me like that. You have your remarks to me, say this and that. And you call me for your meeting, no, bro. So I say, alright. I'm go up there. I'm go up there, my youth. You know, say, the whole of the man them and world bitch. The whole of the man them, the puppy them and world bitch, they up the dog. Well, me say the man them, I mean me, because me I did the only man who did there at the time, you understand? And Killer Miller, because him a like 40 yard on the show. I don't know if you know that him a big man. Him a no man, him a big man.
Could pause this real quick. So the man I say, him go to the meeting for go hear what everybody I say. You see me? Him go to the meeting for hear what everybody I say. And the man said, the whole I puppy them there. The man just style everybody in the house, you know. The man said, the puppy them their own. See? And then the man I say, Killer Miller 5 million years old. Killer Miller man say, you're the oldest man over there, brother. By the way, me a World Dawg I say, Iman, Dino and Valdo and them carry the show and where we not see part 3 at the rest of the episode them, but so far, I'm not gonna lie, the personality will stand out the most to me, a Killer Miller. Big up Killer Miller. I read Killer Miller from the first time I see Killer Miller was in Cartel music video, Miracle. And then the Busy Signal video, and then be a music video after that. I like Killer Miller personality. But I never know, say, man, I say Killer Miller 5 million years old. I never know Killer Miller also, man. But anyway, I could continue.
So, the whole of them did the dog I talk to me now and I like them I say, as me I say dog, as me I say, like them they a chat to me like, he must say as me as they one of them, me not gonna call, you supposed to can pick up by the voice, you did? As me I say dog, think can work dog, think can work. I try impersonating pussy clad right now. Think can work dog. thing can work. You see, all we have to do is just. At the same time, I try to figure out matter what him say. Thing can work, dog. All we have to do is just.
We know how that.
Car. If you all we just come together and make it work, it can work, man. You with the car. Them man know what going on. We not go on. The man them basically I try friend me up, brother. I tell me say, yo dog, see you la. I tell me say, yo dog, and your body fucking up. Your body fucking up, dog. Yo, my retainer man, youth, my retainer dog, body fucking up, brother. And well bitch dead, sit down and hear everything what this brother tell me, you know. The 2 tools and I can pick up how they do the chatting, you know me?
Me know how we attack. Me know how we attack. This is the end of the first video because I split the video in a few, you see me? But watch out now, me know how we attack. When him say, yo, think you work, dog, think you work. By the way, that's a very good impersonation. Me know him attack Dino. After Dino him attack. At Dino, me know we talk like that. So the dogs, they look like some fake things are going on, some bad energy are going on and so, you see me? So the meeting where, you know, the meeting where Killer Miller shout him and say, rrr. The man say, World Dawg today, see me? But you're here now, as I say, I split the live in a few because it's long. So this is the first part. So make sure you want to pre the first part and then turn on the notification for the next part we're going to drop. Because now Dino start talking. And say, yo, think I work, dog. And Dino him attack. So here we're going to do now. We're going to finish up that video. I'm going to edit up that video real quick. And then upload it. And then drop up the next one. So make sure you want to forward back. Turn on the notification. That, yo, this will get hot. Jaja. Yo, you don't know the things that on the Kyng Step. You don't know One Nation and Imara Nation, but it's not a podcast. Welcome to Negus Speak. You understand? Make sure you like, share, comment, hit the notification bell and subscribe. You understand? Fuck move. You don't know the things that. So far back.